I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you test problems from Introduction to Trigonometry. We are almost at the end. We are on question number 9 now. I hope these questions have helped you to prepare for your own test. Now after this, we will focus on the angles which are obtuse angle or acute angles, not really right triangles. In this session we had been focusing on right triangles and solving them. So we will explore sine law and cosine law in details and prepare you for your test on trigonometry part 2. Now let's move on with question number 9. A telephone pole is secured with a cable as shown. The cable makes an angle of 80 degrees with the ground and is secured 7 meters from the bottom of the pole. A second cable is attached from the top of the pole and secured to the ground 3 times as far from the pole as the first cable and on the same side. Find the angle the second cable makes with the ground. So we're talking about this diagram where OP is the pole. First cable makes an angle of 80 degrees and is 7 meters away. The second cable is 3 times the distance away, and we need to find the angle X. Now when we say 3 times, it really means what? It means that the distance from R to O will be 3 times 7, which is 21 meters. So 21 meters is this distance for you, right? Now let us try to solve this question. If we consider the triangle PQO, let's say OPQ, in that triangle we know angle, we need to find the opposite side, we know adjacent side, so we should use tan, correct? So tan of 80 degrees is equals to the opposite side OP over adjacent side OQ. Now from here we can find what OP is, right? OP, let me write first the value of OQ, which is 7 meters, okay? So OP is equals to 7 times tan of 80 degrees. So let's use calculator to find it out. So 7 times tan 80 equals to 39.69. Let me write this as 39.7. So we get 39.7. Okay, so I won't write 7 meters. So 39.7. So let me just rewrite it, okay? So it is 39.7 meters, correct. So we get this as 39.7 meters. Since we know OP, we can now solve the bigger triangle. We know the base is RO, which is 21, and the opposite side is 39.7. So angle X should be, we can find using tan, right? So we can solve triangle RPO. Here tan of X is equals to OP divided by RO. Now OP is 39.7 and R is 21. 3 times 7, correct? So that is equals, so what is angle X equals to? We can say angle X equals to tan inverse of 39.7 divided by 21. So let's find it out. So second function, tan inverse 39.7 divided by 21 bracket close equals to 62.12 degrees. So our answer is approximately angle X is equals to 62 degrees. Do you see that? So that is how we can find our answer using right triangles. I hope that helps. You can subscribe to my videos and learn a lot. Thank you and all the best.